हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग, दिस इज अरविंद। और हम लोग इस वीडियोज में जानेंगे फुल स्टैक वेबसाइट डेवलपमेंट का कोर्स सिलेबस। माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट कोर्स सिलेबस जो 2022 के लिए एकदम पूरे अपडेटेड है, इस चीज़ को हम लोग जानेंगे। हियर इज अ लिस्ट ऑफ मॉड्यूल्स कवर्ड अंडर कंप्लीट्स फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्स। Full stack development refers to the method of applying both front-end and back development products to develop websites. The field has been gaining popularity in recent years due to the growing numbers of digital businesses. It combines the work of managing servers and databases and system engineering. Full stack developers are in the great demands across the world. फुल स्टैक डेवलपर्स का जो है बहुत ही डिमांड है ओवरऑल वर्ल्ड में। माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, कंप्लीट्स फुल स्टैक डेवलपर्स कोर्स सिलेबस हैज द फ्लोइंग मॉड्यूल्स। फर्स्ट मॉड्यूल्स ओवरव्यू, सेकंड एचटीएमएल हाइपरटेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज, सीएसएस प्रोग्रामिंग विथ जावास्क्रिप्ट, रिएक्ट जेएस डेवलपमेंट, नोड जेएस डेवलपमेंट, मोंगो डेटाबेस, Python, version control system, 6 mini project, 1 capstone project. Complete is an AI-powered online platform was built to educate the equipped students and any interested persons with skills which will help them get a job and do well with it. We equally have a strong offline presence with our cramped learning centers operating in various cities across India and in other countries like Singapore, Malaysia and Oman. My dear friends, our comprehensive HR research made us aware that the expectation that recruiters and freshers or professionals with a lateral career shift have were different from the reality. The aim of our institute is to bridge that gap, the provide practical tools to equip students and professionals for the ever demanding job industry. That is one reason why Complete offers the most comprehensive industry aligned job ready full stack developer course syllabus amongst the other courses. Full stack development course modules. Completes full stack development course modules are designed by experts who have extensive experience in the industry in the addition to being excellent teachers. Compete promotes multifaceted learning experience. Here, students get a chance to test code in lab sessions and work on many projects and also one capstone projects, all of which go toward the credits earned in completing the course. My dear friends, the duration of the full stack course is 60 hours. Only 60 घंटे. All the batches are worked out within a similar time frame. The syllabus has been designed keeping the needs of students in mind. Note, you can compare our syllabus with other here. The full stack course content at complete comprise the following modules. Module first of full stack developer course syllabus HTML. My dear friends, HTML is the basic and must have a skill set for every web developer. It is used to extended by various other technologies. To be completely able to understand how things work in web development, you should develop an understanding of HTML. In this section, you will learn introduction to HTML, browser and HTML, editors offline and online, tags, attributes and elements, doc type elements, comments, heading, paragraph and formatting text, lists and links, images and tables. Module second of full stack developer course syllabus CSS. CSS is another important language amongst the web development trifecta. It will help you style, plan a layout, and control the behaviors and look the feel of the web apps that you build. In these modules, you will learn Introduction CSS, applying CSS to HTML, selectors, properties and values, CSS colors and backgrounds, CSS box model, CSS margins, paddings and borders, CSS text and font properties, CSS general topics. My dear friends, module third of full stack developers course syllabus, JavaScript. आप हो सकता है कि जावास्क्रिप्ट बहुत पहले से बहुत बेहतरीन जानते होंगे, बट हियर द थर्ड वन अमोंगस्ट द मस्ट लर्न ट्रैफिका JS. That means JavaScript is the present in about 90% of the internet. To make sense of what you are doing and to design the build new web apps, this language is used predominantly and it is indisciplinable. In this section, you will learn the following topics. Introduction to JavaScript, applying JavaScript internal and external, understanding JavaScript syntax, introduction to documents and window objects, variables and operators, data types and num types conversion, math and string manipulation, objects and arrays, date and time, conditional statements, switch case, looping in JavaScript, functions. Module 4 of full stack website development syllabus, React JS. React JavaScript is the best and most popular framework for front-end development and integral parts of the modern stack. Its community is great and the demand for JavaScript specialist is only increasing day by day. React is great for rapid apps development, SPS, and for creating awesome, responsive, and interactive web apps. In these topics, you will learn introduction, templating using JSX, components, states and props, life cycles of components, rendering list and portals, error handling, routers, Redux and Redux Saga, immutable JS, service side rendering, unit testing, webpack. Module 6 of full stack developer course syllabus, Node JavaScript. That means Node.js. Node.js is a great skill to have. It is JS based and it completes the JavaScript full stack experience. It is a backend skills which is in demand and pays well. In this modules, you will learn the following: Node.js overview, Node.js basics and setups, Node.js console, Node.js commands units, utilities, Node.js modules, Node.js concepts, Node.js events, Node.js with Express.js, Node.js with database access. Module 6 of full stack developers course syllabus, MongoDB. MongoDB. This is the data-driven schema-less NoSQL database. It is a great tool to know. The syntax is very similar to JavaScript, making it such easier to learn. You can use this for projects of any size and is also very easy to scale up or down depending on your requirements. In these modules, you will learn SQL and NoSQL concept, create and manage Mongo database, that means MongoDB, migration of data into MongoDB, MongoDB with PHP, MongoDB with Node.js, service offered by MongoDB. Module 7 of full stack developer course syllabus, that is Python. Learn the basics of Python and use it to develop applications. Also learn to work with MongoDB in Python. My dear friends, this additional language is a value added skills as Python is increasingly in demand for full stack projects. In these modules, you will learn Python installation and configuration, developing a Python application, concept MongoDB with Python, module 8 VCS. VCS, learn version control with Git. This is a bankable this is a this is a bankable skill for every web developer so that they are collaborates and work as a team while working individually. It is also imperative to use VCS so that you can simplify the work on identify error and also store every piece of coding that you have worked on. Capstone project. My dear friends, Capstone projects. The Capstone project is the end game of your full stack development course. This is a medium for you to apply and exhibit what you have learned in this course. You get to take your theoretical learning and apply it in a real world setting. This is a very important aspect of the full stack development course syllabus. The prerequisite for a capstone project is that you have completed the learning modules in the full stack development course, taken up on practicing code at lab session, and also completed all your mini projects, which will give you an idea how to get working on your capstone projects. My dear friends, you can build web apps that are fully functional, such as Make My Trip or Oyo and other things. What are the learning takeaways from the capstone projects? Research skills, documentation, coding experience, version control, portfolio, mini projects, lab session, and something like that. What are the learning takeaways from the capstone projects? Research skill, you have to research of valid real time problems and make captious notes on it before getting to the solution part. Documentation, this is a very important part of the work for every developer. Keep precise notes and documentation of what you have created so that is easy for you as well as other to understand and follow. Coding, you learn to code and work with tools extensively for the projects. Experience, you get practical experience when coding. Not everything goes as smoothly as in theory. You stumble into all sorts of errors while testing and writing code, so this project will give you a tasty of how the job is actually going to be. And version control, you will save your work every time in the git response uh, repository and handle version. The will also help you collaborate with team and work towards a common goal. Portfolio portfolio, my dear friends, you get a jump start on building your portfolio. You can use your capstone project and present it to a recruiter to show how you work and what an asset you will be to their team. Here are some capstone projects ideas that students have worked on: the complete questions and answer sites, a school management system, project management tools, social media sites, ticket booking sites, mini projects. Minimum 5 plus mini projects will be assigned to the learner. They may be modules based. You need to work them out and finish within the given time period. These will help you understand coding and how to work on full stack tools for a specific purpose. These projects include topics like creating a personal portfolio page or a landing page for our products and shopping sites. Lab session. My dear friends, these are hands-on practice sessions organized to help you trying code. There will be 16 sessions that will be marked labs. In this time, you get a chance to work on your coding experience. Your teachers and mentors will help you with the learning process. You get to try out text resizer using DOM, manipulation, logic puzzles using code.js, a random codes generator, CRUD ops for mode and Mongo, Google search page, and many more. Certification. Once, once you have attended the classes, taken up your test and completed our assignments and projects on time, you get a certificate of completion. This complete certification for full stack development course is a value addition to your resume and is a proof of your skills. Full stack development course fee structure in Chennai. My dear friends, full payment 50,000 for the full stack development course in Chennai. This is a good deal and one of the most affordable instructor led full stack development course. Thank you so much.